I'm Darryl and welcome to Crystal Clear Polishing. I am the founder and the one doing all the work. Right here in our state-of-the-art detailing studio, based just outside of Bristol and Yate. I've been in the game for over 15 years with a strong background in vehicle refinishing, backed by more than 40 City and Guilds qualifications. I've always been obsessed with paintwork, finishes and getting cars looking their absolute best. Not just clean, but properly protected. The word detailing actually comes from the US. It's their version of what we used to call valeting here in the UK. But what I do goes way beyond either of those. In the UK, we call this level of work on vehicles, vehicle refinishing. And that's where I came from. Over the years, I've worked with some of the biggest ceramic coating brands out there, including Nanolex, Ceramic Pro, but these days I exclusively use Wax is Dead. One of the most advanced coating systems on the market. It's durable, it's slick, and it gives a finish I'm proud to put my name on. Whilst I was doing all of this, I founded Bristol Detailing Supplies, where I spent years developing some of the best vehicle cleaning products in the game. But we built a solid reputation and eventually sold the brand, but the passion for top tier car care never left. In proper detailing, built on experience, passion and trust. Crystal Clear Polishing is just me, no shortcuts, no mystery workers. From ceramic coatings and paint correction to caliper paint and underbody protection, I do it all with real care and proper attention to detail. So if you're looking for someone who's hands-on, highly qualified and genuinely passionate about bringing the best out of your vehicle, then you're in the right place. Crystal Clear Polishing, proper detailing, built on experience, passion and trust.